Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about class binding in Vue.js. So we have already covered string interpolation in our last video. Go check it out if you haven't watched those. So let's talk about class binding now. So let's suppose you want to add some class dynamically with respect to some conditions. Let's suppose if some condition is true, then add this class, or if it is false, then add another class. So for that, what you have to do is you have to use vbind, or you can use something called colon class equal to double quotation. Inside this double quotation you have to use a square bracket. Inside the square bracket all this condition will be written. So let's suppose I'm making a boolean variable. Let's suppose x is a boolean variable and I'm setting the value to true. So if x is true, then add a class. You have to use single quote here, guys, because you are using a double quote outside, so you cannot use double quote inside. So it is a single quote, and you have to type the name of a class you want to add. So I haven't created any class yet, so let me create first. Style, and let's suppose dot active, then color equal to green. If inactive, then color equal to red. Okay, so these are the two classes that we have here. So if x is true, then we want to add a class to this h4 element. So what you have to do, you have to type the active here. Oh, wait, active class. So if x is true, then add active class. Else, so you have already know the ternary operation in here. So if x is true, then add this class, or else, this colon means else, add single quote inside, guys, and inactive. So as you can see, we are getting a green color text here, which means it is active and x is true. So if I change the value of x to false, as you can see, it is changed the color of this text. So you can add more properties to it, like font size 2em, or font size 3em, and font family size. So now it is false, so this class is here. If you want, you can check it here also. If press F2 from your keyboard and check the element inside this div. As you can see, it is this class inactive is uh, here. So if you want to change the value of x to true, you can see that it is changed automatically to a active class here. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.